Fenugreek is a plant commonly used as a cooking spice and in herbal medicine. Its seeds have a slightly bitter taste, and it is believed that fenugreek water, prepared by soaking the seeds in water, has numerous health benefits. Fenugreek is known to be rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and manganese. Some potential benefits include aiding digestion, improving blood sugar control, and reducing inflammation. Here are some of the many benefits of adding fenugreek water to your diet, and how you can prepare it, according to the NDTV website. 9 benefits of drinking fenugreek water. 1. Improves digestion. Fenugreek water can help alleviate digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and constipation, thanks to its high fiber content. It can also enhance nutrient absorption. 2. Weight management. Fenugreek water may aid in weight loss by curbing appetite, increasing metabolism, and reducing fat accumulation. 3. Lowers cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of fenugreek water may help lower harmful LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. 4. Blood sugar control. Fenugreek water has been found to regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Fenugreek water contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to alleviate conditions associated with inflammation, such as arthritis and asthma. 6. Hormonal balance. Fenugreek water is known for its phytoestrogen content, which can help regulate hormonal imbalances, especially in women experiencing menopausal symptoms. 7. Improves skin health. Regular consumption of fenugreek water can enhance skin health by reducing acne, promoting clear skin, and providing a natural glow. 8. Improves hair health. Fenugreek water is believed to reduce hair loss, stimulate hair growth, and prevent scalp issues such as dandruff or itching. 9. Boosts immune system. Fenugreek water contains antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system, protecting the body from various infections and diseases. How to prepare fenugreek water. Soak 1–2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in a cup of water overnight, about 8 to 10 hours, or for at least 4 hours. Strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. If you prefer a milder taste, you can soak the seeds in warm water instead of overnight. Additionally, you can also boil the seeds in water for a few minutes. As for the best time to consume fenugreek water, many people believe that drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning is the most beneficial. Thank you, my friends, for liking the video and subscribing to the channel.